Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and in this video we will talk about pimples or acne in young people. Can you really prevent pimples in your teens, and food that can help to reduce your pimple outbreak, and how you can keep your skin healthy. So keep watching the video. Now, pimples are skin conditions, an infected sebaceous gland in the skin which occurs when the hair follicle or the pores on the surface are plugged with oil, dirt, bacteria or dead skin cells. Everyone gets acne breakout during and after their puberty, and it is absolutely normal because of body's physiological process and changes. When the hormones are activated during puberty, the oil glands in the skin get stimulated and produces sebum. Though getting acne or pimple at young age is very common due to hormonal changes and lifestyle, a few other reasons for pimple in young age can be oily skin, pores or hair follicles clogged with oil, dirt or dead skin cell, bacteria, excess makeup, sudden medications and unhealthy eating habits. So it is difficult to completely avoid the hormonal pimples as it is a part of your body's growth. But there are many over-the-counter medications to treat severe acne and certain home remedies to remove the small pimples, like the turmeric and gram flour paste or turmeric and lemon juice paste. But it is important to eat a proper balanced diet to keep the skin healthy from inside. So let's look at a few food remedies to keep the skin healthy and reduce the pimple outbreak in young age. The first one is the water. Water is the best drink of all. Water keeps the body and skin hydrated and removes the toxins and impurities from the body. It not only keeps the skin hydrated, but also increased water intake provides radiant and glowing skin. The next one is food rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E found in food like nuts like almond, walnut, pecan, hazelnut, cashews, pistachio, etc. and green leafy vegetables like spinach, mustard, collards, lettuce, kale, etc. are rich in vitamin E, which helps to improve the vitality of the skin and protects it against acne production. The third one is food rich in vitamin C. Found in citric fruit and vegetables like oranges, lemon, tomatoes, mandarin, grapefruit, melon, etc. The vitamin C protects the skin against scarring and helps to heal the damaged and irritated skin. The next one is antioxidant. Found in green vegetables like spinach, kale, mustard, greens, and berries like strawberry, blueberry, cranberry, blackberries, healthy nuts, pecan, walnut, raisins, fruits like apple and plum, beans, dark chocolate, green tea, etc. Now, antioxidants in these food attack the free radicals which cause to damage the skin. Also, having selenium can reduce the pimple. Foods like onion, garlic, sunflower seed, egg, turkey meat, nuts and corns, etc. are known to contain good amount of selenium, which helps to reduce the inflammation and preserves the elasticity of the skin. The next one is omega-3 fatty acid, mainly found in walnut, eggs, salmon, sardines, beans, soya, tofu, chia seed, wild rice, broccoli, hemp, cashews, Brussels sprouts are good for health. And the omega-3 in these food help to reduce the inflammation and removes the blemishes caused by the acne. Next is magnesium. Food like tofu, avocado, banana, turtle beans, cashew, pumpkin seeds, brown rice, legumes, whole grain, etc. are rich in magnesium and helps to regulate the acne-inducing hormones. The first food that you should completely avoid is the sugar. Sugary food or white sugar contains inflammatory properties that can aggravate the skin, causing more and more pimple outbreaks. The second one is the dairy product. Now, studies show that certain hormones present in the dairy product can stimulate the sebaceous gland, producing more oil, which clogs the skin pores, causing pimples. The third one is refined flour and refined sugar. It is believed that high carb diet raises the blood sugar, increasing the insulin level in the body. Now, insulin activates the androgen hormones which contribute to produce acne or pimple. The next one is the spicy food. Spicy food can cause gastrointestinal problem leading to acne. Studies show that stomach problem can cause acne in some people. You should also avoid fast food to reduce the pimple outbreak. Processed food, burger, fries, soda, canned diet, etc. are known to cause acne. Though it is not clear why these food products cause acne, some studies show that the fast food containing oil and certain spices can affect the body's hormonal changes, leading to acne or pimple. And finally, the deep fried food. Many pieces of research show that consumption of oily and deep fried food can aggravate the pimples. Hormonal outbreaks of the acne will go away when your body is acquainted with the hormonal changes it's going through. Pimples or acne are just normal skin condition that will go away with proper care. Just eat healthily and stay happy. Do not get depressed or feel stressed about it. When you grow through your age, the skin changes accordingly and makes its own journey. Always remember that beauty doesn't define who you are. Rather, you yourself define how beautiful you are. So that's all for today's video. I hope it was a bit informative. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. And for food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.